Is your air conditioner struggling to keep up with the extreme heat? Before you spend thousands on a new unit, there's something you should know. Many homeowners think their AC is worn out when it stops cooling effectively during a heat wave. But in many cases, the problem isn't the AC itself, it's poor maintenance. The first thing to check is your air filter. A dirty filter restricts airflow, forcing your system to work harder while delivering less cooling. Replacing a clogged filter can instantly improve performance. Next, take a look at your outdoor condenser unit. Over time, dirt, grass clippings, leaves, and debris can build up around the coils. When this happens, the system can't release heat efficiently. Gently cleaning the condenser can dramatically improve cooling. Another common issue is blocked indoor vents. Make sure furniture, curtains, and other objects aren't preventing cool air from circulating throughout your home. You should also check your thermostat settings. During extreme heat, setting the temperature unrealistically low won't cool your home faster. Instead, it makes the system run longer and increases energy consumption. If your AC is still struggling, inspect the evaporator coil. Dust buildup can reduce its ability to absorb heat. Professional cleaning can often restore lost cooling capacity. Don't forget about sealing air leaks around doors and windows. Even the best air conditioner can't keep up if cool air is constantly escaping outdoors. These simple maintenance steps can help an older air conditioner perform like new, improve energy efficiency, and keep your home comfortable during the hottest days of the year. So before replacing your AC, try these proven fixes. You may be surprised at how much cooling power your current system still has.